Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm back with another new video and I was missing in action for quite some time. The reason behind this is because I shifted to a new apartment and I'm not yet done up with the space and with the setup of the apartment. So I was busy with that, and the entire process of shifting and setting up your apartment is like a mammoth task. But right now I'm back. I will be uploading new videos from now onwards. My apartment is 60% done. I'm still busy with the entire setup of my apartment. Do let me know in the comment section how you like the new background. So today I'm back with another video, and this time it's about a realistic college routine, basically makeup routine. I've seen so many videos where they show you a routine where it's like a 1 hour makeup tutorial, full-fledged makeup tutorials, which is really not possible to do on everyday basis before going to college, and I think that looks a bit too much, especially in the morning and the daytime. Whenever I wake up, I always try to not rush out of the bed immediately, but to give myself some time, maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes, just sit down and close my eyes and relax for 5 minutes. So after you wake up, just sit down for 5 minutes, just close your eyes, just gather all your thoughts together in one place. The way I do it is when I wake up, sometimes I wake up with not a very relaxed mind. It's like, oh my gosh, I have to catch up with that work, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to buy new stuff, especially right now because I am in the form of setting up my new apartment. I mean, you close your eyes and you picture all your thoughts, and then you also picture rubbing those thoughts away until the canvas is blank. So this really helps me calm down my mind. It makes sure that I don't have anything going on my mind when I wake up. Another thing I really like to do is sip a cup of warm green tea. That really helps me calm down my entire body. Give yourself time so that you don't have to rush out of the house. This way you will feel so much more relaxed and so much more composed and so much more happier. Okay, now let us start with the makeup. And this is the makeup that I do most of the time, like 90% of the time when I'm going out, except for all that jazzy events. So I use this moisturizing cream. This one is an excellent moisturizing cream. And I put it all over my face, especially the areas where I'm dry. Moisturizing your face is really important, so do not skip out on this. So once I'm done with that, I use this sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important for your skin. Do not miss out on sunscreen. If you're missing out on sunscreen, it's a sin you're doing to your skin. I don't use BB creams and I do not use foundation every day. So what I use is this one. This one is L'Oreal Matte Magique All-in-One Compact Powder. Another thing that I use is this MAC Compact. So what I feel is like putting on foundation or any other cream product like BB cream, it's only another cream that I'm putting on my face, and it gives me a feeling of, you know, a cream which is heavier than a powder. I don't know, it's very strange, but this is what I feel. So I prefer using the powders. So what I do is I just dab it like this and just put it on my entire face, especially under my eyes, and then just put it all over your face. I don't use concealers every day while going out. I just use this powder. There are chances that during that time in your college you might be sweaty, or you know, creases might form under your eyes, which is not a good side at all. So that is the reason why I did not include concealers in this video. So it is just this powder. After this, I move on to my eyebrows. So taking this Maybelline The Nudes palette, so I'm gonna use this shade and just fill in my eyebrows. Okay, by the way, for concealers, if you want, you can use concealers. This one is really good. This one is by Color Bar, and this is called Color Bar Full Cover Concealer. It comes in a pot and it's creamy. And the other one is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I love this concealer. And then I also love the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, which is almost gone. I need to order a new one. Next, moving on to my eyes. I use kajal on my eyes. I use the classic brown from Lakme Iconic. This one is a brown kajal and I love this, especially during the day and during the morning. It does not look harsh on my eyes, unlike the black one. But I've also seen so many girls wearing the black one and it looks stunning. So if you want, you can go ahead with the black one. I just go ahead with the brown one. So what I do is I just kind of line my eyes till the middle portion of my eyes. I do not take it till the inner corners. I just leave it till here so that my eye looks a little bit lifted. Doing the same to the other eye. Just putting it on the lower lash line. And now I'm going to take my finger and smudge it. So moving on to my lips, I'm going to use a natural shade close to my lip shade. This one is from Lakme 9 to 5 and it is in the shade Pink Cola. So I'm just going to dab. Is a beautiful dusky rosy shade. The next thing I'm going to use is very important. This one is the mascara. It's the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I didn't try it. This is the first time I'm going to try and I'm pretty excited. One very important step is to curl your lashes. Oh my god, I just love this mascara. It made a huge difference. I don't apply mascara on my bottom lashes because I think it just brings down my eyes. So this is my finished makeup look and there's no highlighter, no contouring, and no blush. This is just a very simple, easy, quick, everyday college makeup routine under 5 minutes. And this looks pretty, it looks fresh on your skin, and there is, what is this? And it looks pretty, it looks fresh, and you really don't have to worry about the creases under your eyes because there's no concealer. Carry a deo always with you, or much more easier and lighter is this version. This one is by Studio West and this is just a minimized perfume that you can carry in your purse, your wallet, anywhere you go, because only this is not important. Smelling good is important equally, I guess, even more than just looking good. So smelling good, looking good, feeling confident, and going out with a calm mind. And you're ready to take over the world. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you like it, and if you did, then give it a like, share, comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon. In that way you will be notified every time I upload new videos, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.